Hello everybody, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss Jupyter Notebooks insert menu operations. So switch over to the Jupyter Notebook. So here in the last classes we already discussed the file menu operations, edit menu operations, view menu operations, and in this class we are going to discuss insert menu operations. Insert menu operations, we had only two options over here, insert cell above and insert cell below. Means if you want to insert a cell in the middle of some cells, then it is very useful. This insert menu is very useful to perform that task. What task? Inserting a new cell. Okay, very new cell. So here we developed one program, and if you want to insert some more data in between cell number 4 and cell number 5, then we will do like this. Click insert cell above or below. You need to specify this one. So select a particular cell and then select the option. So where you want to insert the cell, you need to select the cell. If you want to insert the cell above the cell number 5, then you need to select the cell 5 and then insert cell above. Here you see one new cell was inserted. Say here we will type our code, new code. Okay, some some a is equal to 10, some b is equal to 20. Okay, say a plus b, a minus b, a star b, a divided by b. Okay, simple, run it. So in the last one only it was appeared. Okay, here all this one was not appeared, only last operation was only appeared here. It was 200, it was minus 10. Like that, if you need to insert a new cell and do some related operation here, you will do like this. You will take the help of insert, like that. Insert cell below. If you want to insert a new cell below the 5th cell, just insert it. Here you can do it. Say some c is equal to a plus b. Then c. Run it. Here the new code was inserted, was interpreted, executed, and the answer was displayed in the output. Okay, so this is the operation of insert menu options. Friends, in the next class we will discuss about various operations under the cell menu, okay, which is very important. We will discuss in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.